19 interesting space facts that will impress your brain. Number 1. Neptune's moon, Triton, orbits the planet backwards. It's the only large moon in our solar system that does this. Number 2. Mercury and Venus are the only two planets in our solar system that have no moons. In total, there are 176 confirmed moons that orbit the planets in our solar system, with some of them being bigger than Mercury itself. Number 3. Our solar system is 4.57 billion years old. Well, give or take 30 million years-ish. Accurately speaking, it is 4.571 billion years old. Scientists estimate that in about 5 billion years, our Sun will expand, becoming a red giant. In about 7.5 billion years its expanding surface will swallow up and engulf the Earth. Number 4. The Whirlpool Galaxy, M51, was the first celestial object identified as being spiral. The grand, spiraling arms of the Whirlpool Galaxy are made up of long lanes of stars and gas, sprinkled with lots of space dust. These arms act as star formation factories, compressing hydrogen gas and creating clusters of new stars. Number 5. The Milky Way galaxy is 105,700 light-years wide. It would take a modern spacecraft 450 million years to travel to the center of our galaxy. You can read more unbelievable space facts with this list of Milky Way facts. Number 6. Footprints left on the moon won't disappear as there is no wind. But wait a minute. If there's no wind to blow them away, then why is the flag blowing? Well, it actually wasn't blowing. That rippling you see is because of a stubborn telescopic horizontal rod that the astronauts were struggling to remove from the flag's upper hem. Number 7. According to mathematics, white holes are possible, although as of yet we have found none. A white hole is a hypothetical region of spacetime which can't be entered from the outside, although matter and light can escape from within. Basically, it's the reverse of a black hole. Number 8. There are more volcanoes on Venus than any other planet in our solar system. There are more than 1,600 major volcanoes across the surface of Venus, including a 5-mile, 8 kilometers, high volcano called Mont Mons. Number 9. There are 10 times more stars in the night sky than grains of sand on the Earth, with 70 sextillion stars being visible from Earth through a telescope. Number 10. The International Space Station is the largest manned object ever sent into space. At 119 yards, 109 meters, long, the International Space Station, ISS, sits roughly 250 miles, 400 kilometers, above the Earth and is the third brightest object in the night sky. Number 11. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are known as the inner planets. They are named the inner planets because they orbit closest to the Sun. An inner planet is classified as a planet located within the asteroid belt. Number 12. Only 5% of the universe is visible from Earth. 68% of the universe is dark energy and 27% is dark matter. Both of these are invisible, even with a telescope, which means we are only able to see 5% of the universe. Number 13. At any given moment, there are at least 2,000 thunderstorms happening on Earth. Worldwide, there are an estimated 16 million thunderstorms each year. Roughly 100,000 of these thunderstorms happen in the U.S. alone. You can read more strange facts about thunder and lightning here. Number 14. There are approximately 100,000 million stars in the Milky Way. Out of all the known galaxies, the Milky Way is the one that contains the most stars. Number 15. The first supernova I observed outside of our own galaxy was in 1885. This supernova was called the S Andromeda, located in the Andromeda Galaxy. This was observed by Ernst Hartwig in Estonia and was only made possible due to the recent invention of the telescope. Number 16. Astronauts can grow approximately 2 inches, 5 centimeters, in height when in space. This is due to the lack of gravity in space causes the discs between the vertebrae to expand a little. However, this extra height is lost when re-entering the Earth's atmosphere and being subjected to the Earth's gravity again. Number 17. If Saturn's rings were 3 feet long, They would be 10,000 times thinner than a razor blade. The rings around Saturn are so thin, because they are made up of pieces of dusty water ice, ranging in size from dust grains to boulders. Number 18. The center of the Milky Way smells like rum, and tastes like raspberries. This was discovered by the IRAM radio telescope, zeroed in, on a gas cloud called Sagittarius B2, at the center of our galaxy. The IRAM detected a chemical called ethyl formatid, which gives rum its distinct smell, and raspberries their distinct flavor. Number 19. Our moon is moving away from Earth at a rate of 1.6 inch, 4 centimeters, per year. Scientists do believe that eventually the moon will move out of the field of Earth's gravity, however this won't happen for billions of years to come.